Hi guys, how are you? I hope you all are well. Today in this video, we'll learn about wolf skull and we will also draw it with the help of pencil. Yes, today we will make our drawing of a wolf skull. This is a wolf skull. Yes, guys, this is a real wolf skull. Look at this. It is a condition shows that is many years old. See it. Its teeth are also real and how old are teeth. You can see it front from its front side and its side as well. Guys, please subscribe my channel, share and like and press the bell icon button so that my new videos will reach you first. Guys, first we will measure it's with the help of our drawing pencil. Uh, we will find its length and width with the help of our drawing pencil. So measure a length, total length, and second width with one and one to one and a half, with a single width is a single and length is double, one and a half. So guys, now according to this measurement we will draw it on our paper with the help of our drawing pencil. Length and width, 1.5. According to International Wolf Center, wolf population in Pakistan has separate population declines and range construction. They are now confined to remote mountainous region and extensive desert. A number of factors are thought to be responsible for their decline. The expansion of agricultural practices and land invention has caused habit loss. How do you identify a world scale? It is one way to tell them apart. If you look at a wolf's head from the side, its profile it will be flat from the top of the skull to the tip of the nose. A dog head, on the other hand, has a straighter angle and a more noticeable forehead. Wolves also have two domain-shaped projection from the base of their skulls. Wolf skull size. The wolf head is large and heavy, with a wide forehead, strong jaw, and a long, blunt muzzle. The skull is 230 to 280 millimeter, 9 to 11 inch in length, and 130 to 150 millimeter, 5 to 6 inch in width. The teeth are heavy and large, making them better suited to carrying bone than those of canids. Other canids. According to International Wolf Center, wolf populations in Pakistan have suffered population declines and range construction. They are now confined to remote